Look what came in the mail today. Hey Stampers, I just wanted to do the unboxing of the July 2019 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up. On the outside it says "On My Mind," which doesn't really give me any clues as to what this box is. So I'm super excited to see what it is. So this shows that this kit actually coordinates with a couple suites in the catalog: Woven Threads, Garden Lane, and Come Sail Away. So super, super cute, which those I feel like are like total ends of the spectrum, so I'm super excited to see how this is going to pull all that together. It looks like the ink spot is Pretty Peacock, which is one of the new in colors, so that's super fabulous. And the stamp set has this beautiful seashell and then this like medallion filigree image, which is super gorgeous. You could do background images with that, or borders or things like that with the Stamparatus. Super fun. Happy birthday, hello friend, you've been on my mind and you're the best, are the greetings there. So those are good ones to kind of have as your like all occasion sort of cards, or just some cards to have on hand whenever you need a card to send to a friend, to lift someone up, or something like that. So super, super cute. It looks like there's a total of 9 cards, 3 of the each designs. Ooh, fun. This looks like a little like pop-up. I can't think of the word I'm looking for. Like almost like a little shaker card look. So of course here we have our instructions with all the details on the inside there. Don't forget there is that ruler on the bottom there so that you can measure your twine out, or you can just wing it like I usually typically do. And of course there's some pictures on the back side. Here we have some linen thread, and then there's also 3 little paper clips in there too. So those go on one of the cards. It looks like maybe it goes on this card. It holds that little little bow on there in the linen thread. Look at these gorgeous little sequins. They're like a mint. So they kind of coordinate as like the lighter shade, but like there's some that are frosted and some that are super shiny. So those are gorgeous. And then yeah, we have these. Oh, these are actually to pop up the wheel. Here's all the envelopes, which have super cute insides. How fun is that? Okay, so there's like this world like theme, and then there's also green stripes, and then there's also that peacock, and it's kind of got like some dots to it and some texture. So super, super fun. And then it looks like we have these, this is from like the Garden Lane suite, so very similar to that. This is very similar to the Woven Threads, and these are actually labels. So, or actually, okay, so this piece is for the background, and then these are 2 different styles of labels that have like little banners. So this one has banner tips on both ends, and this one has banner tips. Oh, actually no, there's no banner tips. This one's just a square. I thought I had banner tips on one side. So there is that. These all like layer together with that. So super cute. Oh, there's another envelope. And then it looks like our cards, we have these that kind of have that little texture, and it's white on the inside, so that makes it easy to write on. And then green stripes. And then, ooh, this one's super fun. Can you see that texture? You can kind of hear it, but that's super cute. And so then that's the third one. And then there's circles, sailboats, there's 2 little clouds up here, and then 2, this one has banner tips on the one end, and then the blue one is just a rectangle. Here's some greenery. Here's some more greenery pieces. And this is what these are for. So you'll pop these out, and to get that nice smooth look, you'll just take, it's like a dimensional, and it goes all the way around. Okay, I'm gonna bet that the best way to do that is almost to peel off the label and stick the anchor down over it like that. It might be better to have the circle hold its shape. And then regular dimensionals, and then a whole bunch of banner labels. Oh, and a whole bunch of glue dots. Those are some big glue dots too. So and they all have that gold little border around them too. So super, super fun. I can't wait to put this kit together. It's got like a lot of different looks to it. So rather than just one plain look, it's got a lot of different ones with the different designer series papers that go with it, or the suites that go with it. So that kind of makes it a little bit more interesting and sort of appease different people. So it's super fun. And of course, if you like one of them, you know, if your favorite is this one or this one or this one, then definitely check out those suites in the annual catalog so that you can see a lot of coordinating products that go with that. I will leave links down below for that, as well as a link down below to sign up for the August Paper Pumpkin Kit. The August one is going to be fall themed. I can't believe we're already talking about fall, but Stampin' Up! Always uses Paper Pumpkin as a way to prepare you for the upcoming seasons and holidays, so it's always like 1 month ahead. September will probably be a Halloween themed one, so of course August is going to be a fall themed one for September. So how perfect is that? Again, I'll leave links down below for all of this. I'll be posting the finished product of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday and when Paper Pumpkin arrives. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.